Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So this is going to be an unboxing of Chanel Allure Homme Sport All Extra. So I believe this is like my first Chanel fragrance. I've never bought any Chanel fragrance before. I bought a few Dior. For some reason, I mean, none of their fragrances really appeal to me, and I've been wanting to buy this for a long time. This or Blue de Chanel, but Blue de Chanel, I mean, at this point, it's very generic to my nose, and this one gets a lot of love from the frag heads as well. And there is one particular YouTube reviewer that I follow. It's called he's called AC or JCAC, I think. He's a Londoner, I guess, like a UK person who reviews fragrances, and he has some unique reviews. He doesn't. I like his reviews. So, and he also had this in one of his top recommended fragrances, and I was like, okay, now I have to try this because he's not like your typical YouTuber who just recommends like any and every fragrance. He's very unique, and let me try and figure out. So this is when I first watched his video. Sultan Vetiver. Able to see. If you're a YouTuber, I think you most probably, if you're a frag head, I believe you most definitely should know. Yeah, it's smells good. So this is the YouTuber.
Everything in life is a negotiation.
Eh, I think he's AC. Yeah, so he's one of the best fragrance reviewers that I follow. I really like his reviews. And yeah, so let's not get into that. So this one, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So this is the front, and it's an eau de parfum. It's 50 ml. I didn't want to buy the bigger one because this itself is like $110, I guess. And this one at the bottom, you have this. I'm not sure, like, and the top you have the Chanel logo as usual. And I believe the badge is 5501. And on the sides at the back, yeah, you have your this thing. Let me go ahead and unbox this thing. So I just did an unboxing of Tom Ford's tobacco oud, and I can still smell it. This thing is, as people have pointed out, I guess it's going to stay for a long time. And I like such fragrances. They are really long lasting, especially if you like the smell. Like, that's all you want, right? You want to smell it for the longest possible time. Okay, so this is nice. A little bit of red in the inside. Oh, oh wow, I love red. Red is one of my favorite colors. Red is the best. Red is special. Oh, it's red. Eh. Oh, it's red everywhere inside. The Chanel logo, everything. Yeah, all red, everything. Oh, this whole box is red. Okay, look at this thing. So this is how it comes out, right? So this is, yeah, the inside of the box is just red. It's and I like the color combination, gray and red. It's beautiful. So yeah, this is how it It's packed inside, right? I don't know why. I'm already smelling it. I'm already smelling it. When I bought this, I tried a couple of Chanel fragrances. I tried Egoist. I liked Egoist, but after about 10 minutes, I started to smell naphthalene ball leash smell. Like if you've been following my videos, you probably know that I don't like that naphthalene ball type smell. It's so I then decided to go for the Allure Homme, the original, because I like the opening of that. It's a beautiful smell. In fact, I was planning to buy that, but then after 5 minutes, it got a bit sweet. So I found this to be a bit more fresh, on the fresh side, not as sweet as the original. So I finally went for this. It's not it's not like magnetic or anything. It's just click. It's a very, very, very fresh and uplifting kind of a fragrance. That is one of the reasons that I bought this. Let's see. Okay, what am I doing? Should go through the Fragrantica page. So this one is aromatic vanilla, fresh spicy, woody, green, citrus, sweet, amber, musky, warm, spicy. And Jacques Polch is the perfumer. So there's mandarin orange, mint, cypress, sage, pepper, tonka bean, musk, sandalwood, cedar. So very inoffensive fragrance, I guess. Mm. Okay, let's see how it smells like. I've tried it, but yeah, I kind of forgot how it smells like. So let it settle down a bit. I'm already smelling it. It's your typical, I know, you know, everyone knows. It's like it smells a bit generic. Your typical French, safe French inoffensive fragrance. Opening is very generic. It smells very, very familiar. I don't know how many times I've smelled this. Mm. Honestly, I'm regretting buying this now because it smells very, very, very generic. Mm. It smells really fresh. What exactly am I smelling here? I smell something green, definitely. I think it has a level of ambroxan in it. Yeah, because I've I think I'm familiar with the smell of ambroxan. I'm able to pick up that smell because you get this smell in these all these ambroxan fragrances like Dior Sauvage. There's another one that I have, like Mercedes-Benz Club or something. Yeah, I think there's maybe a little bit of ambroxan in this. It's very refreshing. Not smelling orange. Maybe a tiny bit of mint, maybe. Probably that's where the refreshing smell is coming from. But I don't smell anything else that's mentioned here. Mm. Cypress, I'm not sure how cypress smells like. I smell ambroxan, maybe a little bit of mint. I think that's all I'm getting. I'm not getting anything else. And I'm not getting any musk, no woods, tonka bean. No, I don't think so. Pepper, nah. Mandarin orange, no, definitely not. Mm. Cypress, I don't know. Maybe a little bit of. There's something green in this. Maybe, maybe it's just by cypress or mint. But mint is a very unmistakable kind of smell. But in this, it's very subtle. As in, I think they have just captured the refreshing aspect of that mint. You know what I mean? It's not the mint itself. It's the, the refreshing aspect. They probably tried to segregate the refreshing aspect of it of the mint, and then try to mix it with some ambroxan or whatever. Yeah, that's all I'm getting. No pepper, no nothing. Ah, shouldn't have bought this. Shouldn't have bought this. Is these things like these YouTubers, right? They hide these things so much at and and in a way it's maybe because I've been smelling fragrances week after week after week for the past 1 year. I'm just getting bored of this kind of smell. Otherwise, now if your nose is new, you probably will like it, like ambroxan. Because when I smelled first Dior Sauvage, I liked it because ambroxan. I think there is a little bit of ambroxan in it, so I'm giving my opinion based on that. I believe this ambroxan smell is like you can't dislike it if you are not used to it. Now you might get bored of it, that is different, but there's nothing to dislike about this ambroxan thing. It's a very pleasant smell. Oh, absolutely regret buying this man. I probably, or maybe use it here and there, maybe like just because I got it. It's just 50 ml, or else I'll see if I can sell this off to someone that might like this. Hmm. Big mistake. Yeah, I'm not saying it's bad, but I mean at this point in my journey, it's the last thing I want. Hmm. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. Bye bye.